How can you find a cheap fare on Southwest Airlines? So the first place I like to start is the Southwest Low Fare Calendar, because this will show you prices across an entire month and actually let you look across multiple months as well, so you can see the cheapest price in a given month or a given week. It's also helpful if you understand what a low price is to different destinations that you'd like to travel to. So I recommend researching that over time. Check once a week, and you'll start to get a feel of what the rock bottom price is, and that will indicate to you, if you see that price, that's a time you want to book. Now, another way that you can score a cheap flight on Southwest is to fly on a Tuesday or a Wednesday or at off times. So Tuesdays and Wednesdays tend to have the cheapest fares if you're willing to fly on those days, or if you're willing to fly an early morning flight or arrive late in the evening, you'll often find better deals on those flights as well. Another tip would be to consider a nearby airport. So for example, my family will sometimes drive to Midway in Chicago, which is about a 2.5-hour drive for us. If I can save enough points for us to take a whole other trip on the points that we're saving. So look at nearby airports and see if it might make sense for you if you can save enough that you'd be willing to fly out of that airport instead. Now, the last thing I want you to remember is that you can always rebook a Southwest flight if the price goes down, but we recommend booking Southwest in points always, and we explain to you how to do that inside the Family's Fly Free membership. So if the price goes down, you definitely want to rebook and get points in your account, and that's going to save you and help you ultimately score a cheaper fare as well. And the last thing I want to offer is you want to understand the different hacks that you can play with Southwest Airlines. And we teach all of those inside the Family's Fly Free membership. These hacks come and go and they change over time, and you have to understand what's going on with them, how to maximize them, which one's working and which aren't at any given time. And we keep our members updated that. And we have people who've been able to save hundreds of thousands of points just adding some of these insider hacks on top of the tips that I just shared with you. So we would love to have you join the Family's Fly Free membership if you want to really get some cheap Southwest fares. And that just simply allows you to take more trips on the same number of points as everyone else. So you can check that out at familiesflyfree.com/join.